Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to roll back from Android 10 to Android stock 1, which is 7.0, without any data loss. So this method is tested in Redmi Note 4 only. Previously I have made videos on my Note 4 regarding hotspot issue. So you can see this ROM is based on Android 10. So if I try to downgrade, what happens, and I will tell you. So if you try to downgrade, then your Wi-Fi hotspot won't work. So firstly you have to go to recovery. I will take you to recovery screen here, as you can see. So let me take my device into recovery mode. So this is my recovery, and you have to take some backup like EFS, modem, persist, and SD card is necessary guys, because you have to put stock ROM in your SD card, and you have to take backup of your persist, modem. That's it. You need persist, modem, and EFS. These three things you have to take the backup. So let me boot my device in TWRP mode, then I will show you the process. So as you can see, my device is booting into TWRP. So I recommend you to use any treble supported recovery. So here you have to come, you have to select this one. So let me select this one, persist, and persist image, modem image, EFS, and you have to take backup in your SD card. So here this is my SD card. You have to click OK, and you have to take backup. So let me finish my backup. Let me swipe to confirm. So it is taking backup guys. It is taking image partition like something, and after taking backup you can flash your stock ROM, but you don't have to restore these things. First you have to flash stock ROM, then you have to boot it into system, then you have to restore these things. I will tell you all process by step, so don't skip this video. This video may helpful to you in lot of cases. So you can also recover your boot loop device by this process also, but I am not sure. In some cases it will help you, in some cases it may not. So if it helps you, then thanks for following this procedure or process. If it doesn't help you, then sorry for that. So almost in all cases you may need PC or laptop to perform this action. So you have to format data after this. So it will wipe all of your data. Click on install, select the stock ROM. So in my case I put it in SD card. So this is my stock ROM, as you can see, Android 8.7.0. So let us wait until the flash completes. I will take you directly to its setup screen guys. So guys, as you can see, this ROM is booting, and after booting you will see some warning like find device is corrupted, your device is unsafe now, and your Wi-Fi and hotspot won't work guys. So firstly you have to remember that your backup should not be deleted from your SD card. Then after you have to take your device into recovery mode. So let me boot my device into recovery mode. So as you can see, I have increased brightness in my video, and you can observe from seeing background. So soon I will improve my setup, and just you people support me. So let me boot my device into TWRP mode. So you have to use pitch black recovery only, because it is stable supported. I don't know about TWRP because I didn't see any persist backup option in the TWRP recovery. So let me boot my device into TWRP mode, then I will tell you the next process. So next process is simply easy guys. Just you have to restore that persist and etc. Then after you will be able to use your Wi-Fi hotspot without any issue or any error. So this method will work in case if you are using Android Q ROM. So I have already told at the beginning of the video, so you can use it while you don't have any PC. So let me unlock my device, and let me click on this restore, and as you can see, this is our 2011 sentence Siddharth Sarkar, as we have took that so backup. So let me click on this, and just we have to restore it, persist image, modem, etc. So let me restore. After clicking restore, I won't skip the video and I will reboot directly to my system. Then I will connect my device through my Wi-Fi and I will tell you the next process. So it will ask you for something like my account password or etc. You have to enter those things. So this is my MI power bank box. So I didn't did any unboxing video. This is that power bank, guys, as you can see, which I am using now, and this is MI earphones basic one which I use. So let me show you my earphones, guys. So this one which I use, this is for my OnePlus Nord which I use. It requires additional C cable. I think 2 people know this cable it requires. So let us boot my device. So it will be booted very soon because we are stuck on the setup screen. So as you can see, my device is booted and it didn't give any Wi-Fi corrupted warning. So it is asking for the device is locked. Just click on the open setting and let me connect my device through my Wi-Fi. So let me enter the password privately. So guys, as you can see, I have connected my device through my internet, and here also you can see I have inserted my SIM card. There is no any issue regarding network. So let me click on Wi-Fi settings and let me open it on and let me connect it again. So as you can see, my device again connected with the internet setting, and just I will click on the activate button and my device will turn on. Everything will work fine here. So let us wait until it turns on. So as you can see, it says MIU 11. So this is stock ROM, guys. Let me complete the setup. I will take you directly to the setup screen and I will show you whether Wi-Fi hotspot both are working or not. So guys, as you can see, my device is successfully booted into system, and let me turn off this auto brightness. And as you can see, this is my device, guys, which is successfully booted into system. And let me turn off mobile data and let me show you whether my Wi-Fi works or not. So here Wi-Fi is working, there is no any issue at all, and here hotspot is off. Let me turn it on, so it will work without any issue. So as you can see, the hotspot is also on, and let me show you whether which ROM it is. So as you can see, this is stock ROM, and you can see all of these stuffs here. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.